Hello guys, welcome to Varundeki, a place for better learning. Please do like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos. In the last session, we have learned about basic input and output in Python and how to take user input in Python. In today's session, let us learn about types of operators in Python. Let's go. Types of operators. There are various types of operators that you can perform. Here are some operators with examples. Let's see. First one, arithmetic operation. It performs basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, here we given a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 2. For addition, we add both the variables a and b and we get the output. And in subtraction, we subtract a number from another number. We get the answer. In the same way, multiplication and division. Comparison operator. It compare values and return boolean results. Like it is when we give two numbers, comparison between both the numbers, like equal or unequal or greater than or less than, like that. Here in the example we can see x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 20. If if we if we do equality, it is false, so the output will be false. And this is the way to express the equality statement. And for not equal, this is the operation. And for greater than, this is the symbol. In the same way, logical operator combine multiple conditions using logical operators like true and false. So and operation, or operation, here we see or operation, and here not operation. In this way we can perform. And assignment operation, assign values to variables like a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 10. Here a plus is equal to b, mean it is equivalent to a value can be replaced by a plus b. So now a value will be 15 after the operation. Membership operator, check if a value is a member of sequence. Like if we give a list and we need to check any value or any word in the list, so in this way we can represent it. Identity operator, it compares the memory location of two objects. Mean if two objects are in same memory, it gives true, otherwise it gives the false. Bitwise operation performs operation at the bit level. Like it converts a number into binary and it operates the operation like and or etc. So it gives the binary answer. These are just some examples, and Python supports many more operations for different types of data and scenarios. Thanks.